Motors and More is quickly becoming one of Cape Town's biggest names for importing low-mileage engines and gearboxes. Located in Cape Town at 1 Tracker Street, Stikland, our team of customer sales agents boast over 15 years of industry experience. We are dedicated to providing you with exceptional service and expert advice. We offer a wide variety of hand-picked top-quality engines and gearboxes for most makes of vehicles and LDVs. For the racing and drifting enthusiasts, we also provide high-performance engines to fuel your passion. All our engines come with a guarantee of 3 months for petrol engines and a 1 month for diesel engines. Every engine and gearbox undergoes thorough inspection and cleaning. We deliver locally and provide nationwide courier services. At Motors and More, we also stock a wide range of parts including starters, alternators, aircon pumps and crankshafts. Visit us in store or call us on 021 205 6253. You can also follow us on all social media platforms. Motors and More, your journey starts with us. Hello, hi. Back at the SAW headquarters. Hello, Shaun.
Hello, hi.
So this is the final, basically, episode of building the turbo manifold. I'm just going to film as much as possible that I can now, because I think the car is going back to the owner this week.
Nee, niet die
Not
week.
now,
Ik
not this
volgende week, maar ja, het is nog
Ja.
een beetje aanpakken goed doen.
I'll see how far I can get, maybe pop in Friday to see how far the progress and stuff is, but I'm just gonna do a bit of filming now, so I'm just gonna hand over to Shaun again quickly because he is now test fitting the wastegate. He's gonna do a mock fit.
Mock-up.
A mock-up fit. So as you guys can see here, Shaun is now busy fitting the wastegate.
Ons gaan nou...
Ja, laat Shaun mag verder praten.
This is just a test fit now to see that everything fits in place.
So it is complete.
Yeah,
I'm just maybe go around here, the manifold is finished.
It just needs to be skinned, but hy's in mekaar.
It just needs to be skimmed.
Hy's in mekaar.
So I'm not gonna vlog much here. So what I want to do is, while Shaun is busy, just gooi a couple of cinematics. As he's gonna, are you gonna fit the turbo also?
Ja, ons het net om seker te maak alles is reg en dan moet ek begin mock-up doen vir die downpipe, screamer pipe en oil return. Allemaal daai goedjies. So ek wil net seker maak die manifold pas reg. En as ek weet die manifold pas reg, dan is ek happy.
Okay. So we're not gonna vlog any further, so we're just gonna go over straight to cinematics. It's gonna be a very short video compared to the other two that was filmed. By the time you guys see this, the second one would obviously have been up already. But yeah, over to the cinematics.
Coming in clear like
You
Bluetooth.
can follow, you can ditch it, don't you miss out, you can reach it, it's a duo, mix of actions, nothing's wrong and nothing's right, climb your mountains, hold the moment, aspirations, baby own it, no regrets, no limitations, we're the future.
I don't rap for coins, I don't rap for coins, I don't rap for coins. If the beat hits, I'm ready to go. Don't swag just because I love rap, fuck that. I don't rap for coins, I don't